Every loaf of bread begins long before the oven ever heats. Quality is decided at the very first touch. Machines awaken to gather nature's yield. Precision harvesting protects every grain. Each kernel begins its controlled journey. Harvest transforms fields into supply. From land to logistics, efficiency matters. Human oversight seals the process. The harvest moves forward.
Scale ensures consistency.
Every delivery begins with verification. Accuracy starts with measurement.
Quality is tested before trust is given.
Positioning prepares the transfer.
Gravity accelerates the process.
Hidden systems keep production moving. Vertical transport saves time and space. Storage is controlled with precision. Raw material waits for transformation.
Data safeguards consistency.
Now, processing truly begins. Inside these walls, raw grain becomes potential.
The factory receives its foundation.
Scale ensures uniformity. Human attention guides automation. Preparation begins before milling. Only the cleanest grains move forward. Air separates what machines cannot. Safety is engineered at every step. Time prepares the grain. Moisture defines milling quality. The heart of transformation awaits.
This is where grain becomes flour.
Grinding is only the beginning. Sorting brings precision.
Size defines quality.
Nothing is wasted. Refinement happens in stages. Consistency demands repetition. Balance creates reliability.
Safety never sleeps.
Clean air protects the process.
Verification maintains standards.
Now ready for baking. The bakery awakens.
Ingredients finally meet.
Precision replaces guesswork. Structure is born through motion. Balance defines elasticity.
The batch is complete.
Flow replaces handling. Uniformity ensures consistency.
Every gram matters.
Time strengthens the dough. Conditions shape performance.
Now ready to form.
Form gives bread its identity.
Pressure refines structure.
Shape defines purpose.
Speed meets accuracy.
Order enables scale.
Fermentation begins.
Yeast brings life. Patience builds volume. Transformation nears its peak. Heat takes control. Baking defines the loaf. Structure becomes strength.
Bread is born.
Cooling preserves structure. Temperature is carefully reduced. Automation maintains balance. Data confirms readiness. Precision improves flow. Consistency is verified visually. standards are enforced instantly.
One system, fully connected.
Efficiency adapts in real time.
Bread is ready for handling.
Next comes refinement.
Precision completes the process. Precision defines every slice. Uniformity protects quality. Freshness is engineered.
Packaging stands ready. Speed meets care.
Freshness is locked in.
Every loaf is traceable. Compliance is automatic.
Quality is constantly watched. Order prepares scale. Efficiency multiplies output.
Final checks ensure trust.
Every batch is scrutinized.
Weight and form guarantee consistency.
Trained eyes catch what machines may miss.
Inside, quality reveals itself.
Moisture consistency is critical. Safety underpins every bite.
Controlled conditions reveal potential issues.
Data ensures accountability.
Every loaf earns its green light.
Substandard items are quietly removed.
Quality cleared, ready for distribution.
Automation speeds the flow.
Secure packaging locks in quality.
Traceability completes the process. Order prepares for delivery. Protection ensures safe transport.
Inventory waits efficiently.
Distribution begins with care. Transport secures the product. bread leaves the factory ready for market. And this is how modern factories produce bread from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.